You want to know how to schedule emails for maximum engagement, and if you stay with me for just a few minutes, I'll not only show you exactly how to do it, but I'll also explain why certain times and methods work better than others based on actual usage data. Plus, I've tested all the most popular tools, so you don't have to, and there's an exclusive free trial linked below to the software we'll be using, just for viewers of my channel. Let's dive straight in. First, when it comes to scheduling emails for maximum engagement, timing is everything. After testing tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and more, here's what I found. The best open rates happen when emails land between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. local time on Chile, Tuesdays and Thursdays. These days consistently outperform others because people are settled into their week but not overwhelmed. To schedule your email, once you've written it out inside the software, look for the scheduling option. It's usually right next to the send button. You'll want to select your time zone, choose your desired date, and pick a time slot between that 8 to 10 a.m. window. Now, if you're emailing globally, use the Send by Time Zone feature. Most good software has this built in. This ensures that each recipient receives your email during peak hours in their local time. It's one of the biggest missed opportunities I see, and using it gives you an instant edge in engagement. The subject line and preview text also play a huge role. Schedule your email, yes, but mid-size. Optimize before you automate. Keep subject lines short, clear, and curiosity-driven. Use preview text to create an open loop, something like, "You'll want to read this before 10 a.m. tomorrow." And here's where it gets even better. The software we're using in this video has A/B testing built in, so you can schedule two versions of your subject line, and it'll automatically send the winner to the rest of your list based on early engagement. It's one of the reasons I recommend this tool, and again, that exclusive free trial is waiting for you in the description. Don't forget to check your analytics the day after your send. Look for open rate, click-through rate, and bounce rate. The goal is to schedule, measure, then adjust. Over time, your emails will perform better simply because you're using the data. To recap quickly, schedule emails between an 8 and 10 a.m., ideally on Tuesdays or Thursdays. Use the local time zone feature, A/B test your subject lines, and always analyze performance afterward. The key takeaway. Scheduling emails at the right time isn't just about convenience, it's about visibility. And with the right tool, you can automate smarter, not harder. If you want to follow along or try this out for yourself, grab that exclusive free trial linked below. Only available for viewers of this channel. I've tested a lot of tools, and this one is by far the easiest and most powerful to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.